Hi, dear traders and investors. Welcome back to our channel wellinvesting.com. So far, in our last video, we have learned what structure warrants are. So, let us now understand what are the advantages of trading in HSI warrants and why they are so popular amongst Malaysian investors. The number one advantage is the gearing effects. In short, HSI warrants move greater in percentage than their underlying assets. For an instance, if the index goes up by 1%, it is not unusual for warrant to go up as much as by 15 to 20%. Thus, warrants allow investors to increase their returns. So let's do a live fact check on comparison of returns on warrant versus stocks. As example, in the graph you can see the index have moved 200 points or in short generated 1% return. But for the same underlying, its warrant have moved as much as 4 cents and generated 16% returns, which means HSA warrants have outperformed and rewarded in a great fashion. So this slide proves the above facts brilliantly. So the next slide gives the performance of HSI warrants versus stocks, which also shows and prove again that the HSI warrant is the fastest runner in the league. The second most important advantage of HSI warrant is that it costs a very small fraction to invest in warrants. Hence, trading cost of warrants are much lower as compared to shares or any other instruments. This means more profits are left over the investors, which also keeps your effective exposure comparatively high while lowering your capital risk. And you will never be asked to pay extra if your initial view on the warrants turn to be wrong. So, in our next video, we are going to discuss about how to get started with HSI warrant and to select the right warrants. So, that's all for now. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned and enjoy making profit from the HSI.